10 most reliable cars in the world 2025. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has built its name on dependability and long-term value, making it one of the safest choices for families and daily commuters alike. Known for its strong reliability ratings, the RAV4 is designed to handle high mileage with very few problems over the years. Owners often mention that it performs consistently, whether it's for city driving or longer highway trips, without unexpected breakdowns. On the outside, it carries a rugged yet modern look, with sharp lines that match its adventurous reputation. Inside, the cabin is roomy and comfortable, offering enough space for both passengers and cargo. Everything is laid out in a practical way, so it feels both durable and user-friendly, which adds to its long-lasting appeal. The fuel economy is impressive for an SUV, and maintenance costs stay low compared to many of its rivals. With strong resale value and Toyota's proven track record, the RAV4 continues to be one of the most reliable SUVs in the market. Starting around $29,000, it offers durability, comfort, and peace of mind all in one package. Number 2. BMW i4. When most people think about BMW, performance and luxury usually come to mind, but with the i4, BMW has managed to add something equally important: dependability. Unlike many new EVs that often face teething issues, the i4 has proven to be surprisingly solid in day-to-day use. Its electric drivetrain and battery pack are engineered with long-term reliability in mind, which gives owners extra confidence. Of course, it still looks every bit like a BMW. Sporty lines, a bold front end, and that classic road presence. Step inside and you get a tech-heavy cabin with clean digital displays and premium materials. What makes it stand out, though, is that all this tech feels stable and user-friendly, not overwhelming or glitchy like some rivals. Drivers also appreciate the consistent range it delivers and the ease of charging, making it one of the few EVs that doesn't bring constant anxiety about breakdowns or battery failures. Priced from around $53,000, the BMW i4 isn't just about sharp looks or luxury comfort. It's one of the more reliable electric cars you can actually count on. Number 3. Honda CR-V. If there's one SUV that has built its reputation almost entirely on reliability, it's the Honda CR-V. Year after year, it shows up on the list of the most dependable family vehicles, and 2025 is no different. Owners often say it just doesn't give them problems. Whether it's regular city driving, long highway trips, or even a bit of rough terrain. From the outside, it has a modern, upscale design with sharp lines and a confident stance. Inside, Honda keeps things practical yet refined. Simple controls, good visibility, and plenty of space. Nothing feels overcomplicated, which is part of why it holds up so well over time. Mechanically, Honda has kept the CR-V's engines smooth and proven. The hybrid option is especially appealing, delivering great fuel economy without sacrificing long-term durability. Many people drive these for well over 200,000 miles with very few major issues, which is rare in today's market. Starting at around $30,000, the Honda CR-V continues to be that go-to SUV you can trust. Not flashy, not over-engineered, just consistently reliable. Number 4. Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Miata has always been loved for its fun-to-drive nature, but what really surprises people is just how reliable it is. Unlike many sports cars that are known for being high maintenance, this little roadster proves you can enjoy performance without constant trips to the mechanic. Its lightweight design isn't just about handling, it also means fewer mechanical stresses, which directly helps with long-term dependability. Owners consistently report that the Miata rarely develops big issues, even after years of spirited driving. On the outside, it keeps that classic, low-slung sports car look, and inside, it's all about simplicity. No unnecessary tech that could break down over time, just the essentials done right. That's part of why it lasts so long. Fewer things to go wrong. Powered by a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, it delivers smooth power with minimal complexity. It's the kind of setup that has proven durability, unlike turbocharged systems that sometimes add extra strain. With a starting price of around $30,000, The Mazda MX-5 Miata gives you driving excitement paired with rock-solid reliability, a combination you don't see very often in the sports car world. Number 5. Honda Accord. When it comes to mid-size sedans, few names carry as much trust as the Honda Accord. For decades, it's been the go-to choice for families and commuters who want a car that simply lasts. Owners often say the Accord just keeps running, even with high mileage. And that reputation hasn't changed in 2025. One of the biggest reasons for its reliability is Honda's proven 4-cylinder and hybrid powertrains. They're engineered to balance efficiency and performance while keeping maintenance costs low. The transmissions are also known for their durability, which is something many rivals struggle with over time. On the outside, the Accord looks sleek and modern, but inside is where you really see Honda's long-term thinking. The cabin is built with high-quality materials that resist wear and tear, and the tech features are laid out in a way that doesn't overwhelm. It's the kind of car that feels new even after years of daily driving. With prices starting around $28,000, the Honda Accord continues to offer that rare mix of comfort, practicality, and dependability. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of car you can count on for years without second thoughts. Number 6. Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek is one of those SUVs that earns loyalty the old-fashioned way by being dependable in just about any situation. Drivers who live in snowy or rough weather regions especially trust it because Subaru's all-wheel drive system is standard and has proven itself year after year. What makes the Crosstrek stand out in terms of reliability is its simple yet durable engineering. The engines are built to handle long miles without drama, and routine maintenance is generally affordable. Owners often report that their Crosstreks keep running strong even after a decade of use, which says a lot in today's market. Design-wise, it's rugged without being oversized. The compact shape makes it easy to drive in the city, while the higher ground clearance gives it real confidence on trails or unpaved roads. Inside, the cabin is straightforward but solid. Materials hold up well over time, and the layout is easy to live with every single day. Starting around $27,000, the Subaru Crosstrek isn't just about getting you from point A to point B, it's about doing it reliably, no matter the season, and that's why it continues to be such a trusted choice. Number 7. Lexus GX 550. When you first see this SUV on the road, it doesn't try to blend in. The tall, boxy frame and that commanding Lexus grille instantly remind you that this is a machine built to handle tough terrains while still looking elegant in the city. There's a sense of confidence in its design, rugged yet refined. And then you step closer. The doors have that solid, reassuring weight to them, and inside you're welcomed by Lexus's signature luxury. Leather seats, a wide touchscreen interface, and plenty of space that makes long drives comfortable for the whole family. It's the kind of cabin where you can enjoy silence on the highway, or just as easily pack it up for a weekend in the mountains. This is the Lexus GX 550, and beyond the luxury feel, what really stands out is its dependability. Lexus has built a reputation over decades for making vehicles that last, and the GX continues that tradition. Owners frequently praise it for how little trouble it gives them, even after years of use. The engine, transmission, and overall build are designed to withstand heavy usage, making it a favorite among those who value peace of mind more than flashy gimmicks. Of course, all of this comes at a price. The GX 550 starts at around $64,000. But what you're really paying for is reliability that saves you stress and money in the long run. It's a luxury SUV that you don't just enjoy in the moment, but one you can count on for many years down the road. Number 8. Toyota Corolla. This sedan has been a symbol of reliability for decades, and it's still one of the safest choices you can make if you want a car that simply won't let you down. Known for smooth driving and engines that can easily cross 200,000 miles, it has a reputation for lasting much longer than most competitors. Owners appreciate that it delivers consistent performance year after year, with very few serious issues reported. On the exterior, the design is sleek and modern, giving it a more stylish look while keeping maintenance simple. Inside, the cabin is straightforward and practical, with comfortable seating and user-friendly controls that don't overcomplicate things. It's built with everyday use in mind, which is exactly why people trust it so much. Fuel efficiency is another major strength, saving money in the long run, and routine maintenance costs are among the lowest in its class. Add to that a very strong resale value, and it's clear why this sedan continues to be one of the most reliable cars available today. Starting around $23,000, it offers peace of mind at a very reasonable price. Number 9. Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. Among compact sedans, some cars try too hard to look flashy, while others quietly deliver where it matters most. This one falls into the second category. From the outside, it carries a sleek and modern profile, with sharp lines and a bold front that makes it stand out without being over the top. It's stylish enough to turn heads, yet practical enough to fit right into everyday life. Inside, the cabin feels surprisingly upscale for its class. You get a well-laid-out dashboard, intuitive tech, and just enough comfort to make long commutes less tiring. The seats are supportive, and there's a good balance of space for both driver and passengers. It's the kind of environment that feels simple, yet thoughtfully designed. Now, the real strength of the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid comes when you talk about reliability. Hybrids can sometimes raise concerns about long-term maintenance, but Hyundai has done an impressive job making this model one of the most dependable in its segment. The combination of its hybrid system and efficient gasoline engine is designed to last, and owners consistently report fewer issues than expected. On top of that, Hyundai backs it up with one of the best warranties in the industry, which gives even more peace of mind. Starting at around $25,000, it's not only affordable, but also cost-efficient to run. With excellent fuel economy and a track record of durability, the Elantra Hybrid is proof that you don't need to sacrifice reliability when stepping into hybrid technology. Number 10. Lexus NX. In the world of luxury crossovers, some models are known for their flashy tech, while others earn respect by simply being dependable day after day. This SUV belongs to the latter. It carries that signature Lexus design, sharp edges, a bold spindle grille, and sleek LED lighting that give it a modern, premium presence without going over the top. It looks refined, yet solid enough to inspire confidence on the road. Step inside and the cabin continues that balance of luxury and practicality. The seating feels plush but supportive. The controls are intuitive, and the overall layout is clean, with high-quality materials everywhere you touch. It's not just about looking good. The build quality reminds you why Lexus has such a strong reputation for durability. Where it truly shines, though, is in its reliability. Lexus has consistently been one of the top brands in dependability, and this model is no exception. Owners often highlight how little trouble it gives them over the years, and that's backed by strong resale value and low long-term maintenance costs. It might not be the flashiest SUV in the luxury market, but when you want something you can trust to last, this one is hard to beat. With a starting price of around $40,000, it offers a balance of premium comfort and long-lasting dependability, making it one of the smarter choices for anyone who wants reliability without giving up luxury. And that wraps up our list of the 10 most reliable cars of 2025. If you ask me, my personal favorite is the Toyota RAV4, but I'd love to know yours. Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car videos like this.